Hi friends, good morning to all of you. As we have discussed the burial of the dead and a game of chess. So today we will proceed the next section of the poem The Best Land, which is the fire sermon. Friends, today we will discuss the third most and longest section of the poem Best Land, which has 139 lines. Its title alludes बुद्धाज फायर सरमन। इसकी जो टाइटल है वो संकेत करती है बुद्धा के फायर सरमन से। दिस सेक्शन ओपन्स विद द इमेज ऑफ द रिवर व्हिच हैज 3 daughters. नेक्स्ट, अनरियल सिटी स्टैंड फॉर लंदन एंड द लेमन फॉर लेक। इस सेक्शन में अनरियल सिटी लंदन को इंडिकेट किया गया है और लेमन एक लेक है उसको इंडिकेट किया गया है। द वर्ड्स ऑफ सेंट अगस्टाइन आर द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ईस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न फिलॉसफी। द सेंटेंस एंड स्पीच ऑफ सेंट अगस्टाइन्स is the combination of Eastern and Western philosophy that include in this poem. O Lord, thou placest me. This reference is taken from Confession of Saint Augustine. Friends, this point is also very important. And next point, Tiresias appears in this section. It is very important because Tiresias appears in the third section. That's name is the fire sermon. If we talk about Tiresias, Tiresias is hermaphrodite. Tiresias, a figure from classical mythology, who has both male and female features. Old man with wrinkled female breast, as it is mentioned or described in this section. So Tiresias has become old and his breast and his body became wrinkled and is blind but can see into the future. He has quality to see future but he is blind. Tiresias was punished by goddess Hera, who changed him into a woman, and also was struck blind by goddess Athena because he saw her bathing naked. Friends, Tiresias जो ब्लाइंड हुआ उसका जो कर्ज था वो गॉडेस अथीना के कर्ज से हुआ। Sweet themes run swiftly till I end my song. It taken from Spenser's Prothalamion. Sweet themes run swiftly till I end my song. यह लाइन स्पेंसर के फेमस पोएम प्रोथैलामियन से लिया गया है। A city typist made casual sex with a young clerk. It is also mentioned that a young clerk is met with a typist and seducer. Next point, when lovely woman stoops to folly is alludes Oliver Goldsmith's novel The Vicar of Wakefield. तो यह लाइन ओलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ की नावल से लिया गया है। नावल का नाम द विकार ऑफ वेकफील्ड है। लाइन है व्हेन लवली वुमेन स्टूप्स टू फॉली। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सॉन्ग गटर डैमरंग इज टेकन फ्रॉम वैगनर ओपेरा। इन दिस सेक्शन also a song is described which is taken from Wagner opera. So friends, it is important point. Next point, but at my back from time to time I hear the sound of horns. and Motors is taken from Andrew Marvell's poem To His Coy Mistress. Next and last point, the sound of horns and motors which shall bring Sweeney to Mrs. Potter in the spring is taken from Parliament of Bees by John Day.